Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 15, 14 Pro Max, or any iPhone that has no service, whether it's saying searching, invalid SIM, no SIM card failure, any of those issues, and you're not having any luck with it. You want to follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is from the top here, you're going to pull down that control menu. Put your phone on airplane mode briefly for about 15 to 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be for too long, and then you're going to turn it off, and that does a quick network refresh. So something you want to go ahead and try to do. Now after you do that, the next thing to do is check if you have a carrier update. So in your settings, you're going to go to General, so About. So right after General, you're going to go to About and wait on this page. Now if there is a carrier update, a message will pop up. This is, do you want to update your carrier? And then you're going to select yes. But for my case, I don't have a message, so I can move on to the next one. But if you do have it, of course, click on update. Now let's say it's still not working. The next thing you want to do is go into your settings, go to General, and then scroll all the way down to Transfer Reset iPhone. You're going to tap on that and then click on Reset. And then we want to do a network reset. And then put our phone's passcode here. And basically a network reset will reset your network related settings. So if you're having any connectivity issues, it's going to go ahead and fix that. Important to do, it will not delete any of your data. So let's go ahead and do that. It should take you 30 seconds to a minute. Now after that, if it's still not working, it's time to move on to the next troubleshooting step, which is you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like this. And we're going to hold on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So as you can see here, shutting down the phone here. And once we see the Apple logo, we let go of that side button. And that's known as basically a forced restart, which shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. Completely safe to do. It will not delete any of your data like photos, videos, apps. And if it doesn't work the very first time, just keep on trying, volume up, volume down, and then hold on to that side button. Now, it does take a few tries to get the hang of it, but it definitely works. Now, let's say you did that and it's still not working. The next thing to do is connect your phone to a Wi-Fi. So go to your setting and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. And then we're going to update the phone software by going to, again, Settings, General, and then Software Update. And we need to update the phone software because the previous update might have caused issues with the carrier. So we want to make sure you have the latest update as well. Now, let's say you did the update and it's still not working. If you happen to have a physical SIM card on your phone, right here, usually on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, there's going to be a pin. You're going to take that SIM card. Basically, you're going to remove it and then insert it back in. And that's going to help it sort of reset that SIM card to make sure it's not an issue with the SIM card. It's just simply not working. Now, if you happen to have an eSIM card instead of a physical SIM card, you'll need to contact your carrier. Just ask them if your account is in good standing, if they see your phone is trying to connect to their service, or any issue they can help troubleshoot. Sometimes they need to do something on their end to help get you signal on your phone. And if anything, it should help you as well. And additionally, one last tip is that if you're using any VPN, so in your settings, General, if you have any VPN setting, you want to turn that off. So if you have a VPN, and try to see if that fixes. Sometimes VPN can interfere with your carrier network, and your SIM card might not work correctly, so you want to turn it off and see if that helps. And I hope by following these steps, your phone now is fixed. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.